Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to factory reset a Samsung Galaxy A04e smartphone. You can do this reset if you're experiencing complex system issues that result in moderate to fatal system malfunctions on this new entry-level Samsung smartphone. Before you begin, be sure to back up all your important data to a secure storage media or your cloud account so that you can easily recover them later. Note that a factory data reset deletes everything from the phone's internal storage, so creating backups is highly recommended to prevent permanent data loss. Once you've got everything ready, you may go ahead and proceed with a factory reset. To begin, open the Settings app. In the Settings menu, scroll to Find and then tap General Management. Next, tap Reset. On the next screen, you will see a list of all reset options. Select Factory Data Reset from the given options to proceed. More details about Factory Data Reset will load up on the next window. Review reset details to learn which type of data are affected, then tap the Reset button to continue. If prompted, enter your current PIN, pattern or password, then tap Continue. Review the final warning message, then tap Delete All to confirm action. The phone will then start wiping all data from your device and then restores the factory default options and values. The entire reset process may take several minutes to complete, so make sure your phone is sufficiently charged. You can charge your device during the reset if needed. When the reset is finished, the phone instigates an automatic system reboot. Just wait until the restart is complete. After that, you can proceed with the initial setup process to set your phone's system up as new. Performing a factory reset is usually deemed among the last options when dealing with software-related problems, including post-update bugs that could not be addressed by some minor tweaks. This factory reset procedure is only applicable if your device is still responsive. If your device is stuck or unresponsive, a hard reset or factory reset via Android recovery mode would be necessary. And that's everything in this video tutorial on how to perform factory reset through the Settings menu on the new Samsung Galaxy A04e smartphone. If you haven't already, please leave a like and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thank you for watching.